What I did, I've got most of the harness ready to come out. I think I got just one more plug to unplug, which is right off in here, right there. Where you can't see it right there. Where is it at? These the bottom ones. Thought I had one more to unplug. I might have unplugged it. Okay, I couldn't get the air box out the side. Maybe a little trick to it, but didn't want to come for me. So what I'm thinking, you see that didn't want to come for me. So what I'm thinking, I may just wait and try to get it out from the back when I pull the back swing arm off. It'll be the same thing. I'd have to put it in first before I put the swing arm back on a new one. I didn't completely pull the wire and harness out because I want to take the motor out, because I didn't want to take a chance and messing up any of my wires, because I left a lot of the stuff on it, and, you know. Took this start off the handlebars. I'm having to put on a new one anyway because I didn't want to hook the throttle cables. There would have been adjustments there too. As for the rear brake, I left that there. I gotta take this bolt for the rear swing axle, and I know these bolts in here for the motor mounts, and they got the little brackets here. I started on the one up front, but I gotta take this in the hill part because I gotta pull that whole engine out, and I want to bring it out. Oh yeah, I gotta take this off. I'm thinking I want to slide it out this side, so definitely gotta take that brake off, and I'm gonna also take that kickstart off too. So with it swinging and moving, it might cause a problem. But let's check these. Let's check this bolt here real quick. See how it works. It's gonna be hard to get off. Yeah. Don't seem too bad. I'm not gonna take it all the way off because I may have to tap it. I'm thinking yeah, let me get these two here off. Try openings on them. I grabbed the 10 and the 12. Okay. That wasn't all the way tight. Good. Let's get that out too, because it's not on the other one, so I'm about to get that out too with the spring and everything back there. When I turn the bike upside down, I'll be able to get that out. Okay, 12.
Are you taking everything off of this?
Yep.
Putting it on that?
Yep.
Well,
all right. Okay. One screw here also. My little nephew was telling me good luck taking stuff off this one and putting it on the other one. I know one thing. The pieces on here are, to me, are a lot better than what I thought. Knowing the way it's heavy and stuff. Okay. Not sure. I think that might be a 10. think that might be a 10. We're gonna bring the 10 and the 12. I'm not sure about the one up front here either. We're gonna try to use the air tools to buzz them off, kind of kick it up a little bit. Probably should have grabbed my extension, but I didn't. That's a 12 right there. Okay, so that's gonna be a 12. You know? Yeah. I'm gonna have to take them out. Yeah, I'm in reverse already. And at the front, that's 11/16. Not as tight as I want it to be, but I don't want to go back. So it's probably the metric version. I don't know if I'm gonna have to have something to hold the other side either. Hey, come on. Yep. Okay. Move these two. Grab the little extension. Did loosen it, but I'm gonna have to hold something on the other side. See if that'll work. If that will work. All right. Away from that side. Still leaking. Just without the pump, you're gonna keep leaking. I'm gonna leave that in there for now. I thought it would went down to the motor. I guess not. And I could also take off the belly pan. Huh. Oh, this one already got a screw in it, so that's good. Okay, so I guess that's natural, that little dent. This is on the other frame also. Okay, let me see. on the other side checking my boat. Oh, I got one at the bottom too. One right here. Yeah, I got one, and I'm gonna have to take the one at the top too. I want the one at the top first. Yeah, that'll fit that one too. This side of 12. Out of 12, that must be a 14 on this side. But we'll just flip them. That's all we would do. See the one I'm at to now? We're just gonna flip them to the opposite side. Hopefully it'll work. There we go. Get it out. Try to get that bracket out of there. There we go. Also noticing a lot of these nuts are castle nuts. Thinking I might unhook the two oil lines up here. I got it loose, but I'm thinking I'm gonna unhook them right after I lay it down. Okay, we got them two. I gotta get the two on the side over there. Also gotta get that. So I'm thinking I didn't want to take it loose, but I guess I'm gonna have to, you know, get it out my way. Get that off, I might could turn it. They had a lot of these all over the place too. These old tires. Okay. Let's see if I can turn it down. I'm gonna have to just adjust this back. Because the other piece just didn't want to come easy. It wanted to be what they call cheesy. Which means I gotta keep spinning it to get it out. Hey, you come out that bracket, don't you? Huh. Good to know. y'all can see what I'm trying to get to. Really think it would be easier just to leave that in there and take the pins and clips out. Because I could always rebend it. There we go. Now I should be able to get to where I want to, which is right there. One thing with the socket. Oh man. Oh, I see it. Okay, be the same size. Yeah. More than likely, this other side spinning like you, Jibba. And there go that one. Spacer. Alright. Keep all this together. I still gotta get the other side off, but I wanna get that nut loose. And that'll be good for when I flip the bike over on the side, because I'm about to flip it over. But I got some pads I'm gonna sit it on. Also gotta move this other bike. Let's loosen ya. Think that'll work. Good, the weight on it. I want the weight on this one down here at the bottom, so when I lay it down, I'll be able to pull them straight out. Okay. Let's make some room. Okay. Gotta come to this side. I gotta get this case off of here. I haven't found the dang on master link, you know. But I'm gonna look. I may have a master link, because I may have to cut this. I gotta get this chain off of here, and I gotta get this case off of here, because I got the other bolt was right here. I'm saying the chain is here, so I gotta get that off. Yeah, basically I'm gonna take this off, and I'm gonna either cut the chain so we can move the chain, or I'm gonna find a master link. And then when I do that, I'll bring you back, because we're gonna lay it down and see about getting the motor out. Took me a little second to get stuff I had underneath, like the kick plate. I had the that voltage regulator underneath. I had to unbolt all that. I had to cut the chain with no master link. Well, I just cut the outside one. I kept the inside, was gonna go match it up and get one. I got a local hardware store here to carry master links, big sizes also. Okay. So on this frame, something I also found is that pump comes to the bottom also. Yeah, so it pumps through the frame all the way from the top all the way down. It's like having an oil cooler. Okay, guess I could go ahead and finish look and use. Ain't gonna matter now. I'm gonna just clean up the oil that I waste. I never loosened that, but I gotta take that loose too. I'm trying to get the motor out now. Yeah, I'm trying to get the motor out. I may have some more things holding it though. So, but I know as I'm slowly taking it out. What I'm gonna try to do is bring it up. And I should pull it up from the bottom. That's why I had to take the throttle body off. See about loosening this up a little bit. I wish it was on the other side now. Oh, I had some small clouds. Huh. I grabbed a pair of needle nose and a flat. It should help me get this hose off real quick. Hopefully. Okay. Yeah, the needle nose are moving it. We off. Okay. Right now I'm not seeing anything, so I'm being held in by my wires. A kickstand wire, but I still should be able to get it out, or get it most of the way out. Trying to get my wire from my kickstand. If I move that, I'll have a little more room. Okay, well, for the kickstand, hose, and my other wire. Okay, trying to see if anything else holding me. I did leave throttle, and I'll be able to deal with that in a second. I'll be able to deal with that in a second. Once I move this a little bit again. Yeah, I think that's all I got left is throttle cable holding. Okay, baby boy. That's a lot. You wouldn't believe all the little things I had to take off here. A lot of small things, which I'm hoping I don't forget when it's time to put them back. Definitely hoping I don't. Like the zip ties and things, I'm going to end up putting a crap load of those on because I'm not going to remember all of that is. I can tell you that now. Okay, I gotta get this stuff off of these handlebars so that I can move that, and I'll be able to move the frame out the way so I can put the next frame here, because same deal, just in reverse order. The grip be a Phillip underneath too. Let me grab my Phillip while I'm over here. Yeah. So let's take you loose first. Yeah. There's some Loctite on them. But that wasn't no joke. There we go. I want to keep it in as much tack as I probably can. Yeah, I want to keep it as much intact as I possibly can. Okay, we cut this off. I cut that off too and put a different zip tie on there. Okay, get that out of my way. Need to cut this grip off because we got new ones anyway. Okay, out to tuft away. Now I can loosen this up. Hey, slide this all the way off and get this out of my way because I'm gonna have to move stuff around anyway, you know. Okay, what y'all think that is? 10? I grabbed the 10, hopefully it's that. Yeah. One good thing I like about these Japanese bikes, man, so much of it is like just a 10 and a 12. You have a lot of other stuff in between, but most of it, I would say about 75% of it, is that 10 and 12. Oh, that thing all the way, oh, must be a calcium nut. Wasn't thinking about it. This is why the Japanese bikes are considered the best. Little things like this, little small attention to detail, stuff like that, you just say, well, oh man, they gonna go cheap there. And they didn't. They didn't go cheap, you know what I'm saying? That makes a big difference, dude. Loosening up. There we go. Give me one more. Come on off here, brother. Ah, good thing. Good thing. I'll loosen that brake side later. I'm gonna put this back. Didn't have to take that loose. That's for the handle. Yep, that's cool. I'm gonna tighten it up now since I don't have to mess with it later. Okay, now I'll put that over there. That'll be easy to get stuff out my way. I better stand that motor up also. And I gotta take that brake off of there. And I gotta move them handlebars out my way. Cause a lot is gonna stay right here. Where is it? Some stuff like my throttle body, I'm gonna move out the way. Which, matter of fact, I might move now. Cause I still wanna kinda clean this up a little bit before I do things. Let me kind of move a few things around, get the things out from under my foot. I got a 10 on here. Make this super fast. Ain't got to take them all the way out. Yeah, see, now I can wrap stuff so it don't be all over the place. Get in my way. Speedo, with you. Stay on that side. Move the brake out the way. Yeah, they twist pretty good. Good twist in them. Okay. Now I can move this motor to the way I want it. Now you can get moved to how I want you. Just more like this. That's the way I want you. Ain't that something? One on each side, so one side I gotta take it loose. Okay, we're gonna take the loose compression. We're gonna take a loose compression. Yeah, I got one wire on each side of the frame. This one over here for the clutch. And this one here is for compression. Compression release. Do I got the right one? I think so. I'm saying release this one. Because once we move the little tab, we can still leave our leverage, because this is like an adjustment here, this tab here, but we can take it all the way out. want to come out easy. Put the screw back for now. All right. Now we should better come all the way to this side. There we go. Complete. And that was a little work. I didn't want you to come off. So that, you know what that means. I'm gonna put you back right here for now. Because I didn't want you to come all the way off. Best thing to do is whenever possible, put your screws back or your nuts and bolts. It makes it a lot easier, especially when you're going back with it. Okay, I didn't expect to have that much oil in it either. Yeah, I'm having a lot of cleaning to do with soap. Okay. I didn't damage my clocks, did I? No, it's still good. I didn't take them loose either. Trying to save as much as possible. Okay. I still got stuff to take off the frame. But basically right now what I'm gonna be doing is taking stuff off the frame, and as I take it off now, like my hose here, my kickstand, my center stand, as I take it off of here now, I'm gonna go directly onto that one. Also, my wiring harness. Go ahead and move you out my way too. I'll put you on later whenever I do the new handlebars. See? Now I can bring all of this through here. All of that through there, and then take the whole thing, over here, and put it through here. These go over here. This go right here. And there we go. Right back. All right, close. right close. That's the start. Okay. Yeah. Ooh, little by little, but that's a lot of stuff. Seems like it, man. Goodness. All kind of little things you wouldn't even think about on this bike. Yeah, this is a slow process. All right, I gotta take me a break.